How to make a band or musician site in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to have a root account at squarespace.com. From in there, click on this create website option. And from in there, it will actually open in here and show you in here some website templates that you can actually utilize. Search in here for music or band, up to you, and look in here for the actual option that you want. In here, you can actually connect the nation and just choosing here which one you actually use right here. So for this one, let's head over and click on next. And you can build a template using Blueprint AI or choose a template from designer templates. Let's choose a template right here in order to make things easier. So as you can see, I've chosen music, and in here it will show you some templates for entertainment. We have in here this as well as some more options. So for this case, just choosing here which one you would like. For my case, I'll choose in here the Synchra. After that, it will show you what its preview is, and you can choose in here some sample color presets that you can utilize. So in here, it's use this part. You can change this if you would want, and click on the start with this design. This will set things up for you, and once it's set up, you can actually utilize or see already your website that you can send to people as your musician site in Squarespace. So here is our site. You can just proceed to edit this according to your liking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.